Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are very well. Today I am going to share my daily English learning routine. What I do every single day to improve my speaking skill. I will share with you everything what to do. These are 4 simple habits: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. First of all, I listen to English podcast, short stories every day because listening help me understand pronunciation, tone, and natural English expression. Listening is very important key. If you want to get fluency, listening is very must. And second tips is speaking. I talk to other people around 1 hour, 2 hour every day. Personally, I use CV application because CV application is very affordable and nice app. Give opportunity to talk to other peoples. Speaking is very must. And third simple habit is read. I read every day. Every day I read something new because reading is good habit. Reading helps me learn new words and simple sentence structures. And first I look at this. This is my notebook related to spoken English. I learn daily new vocabulary word and note down in my notebook and try to make some sentences. This is very helpful. And fourth simple tips and habits is writing, because I read new words and note down in my notebook and try to make some sentences. Personally, I follow these are steps, these are simple habits, and I can see my improvement. My English speaking improve day by day. If you are follow these are steps, definitely one day you can see slowly but surely you will improve. Slowly. I know you watched many videos. You saw good speakers, but they are follow these 4 simple habits. Everybody follow these are. And please try it. And don't forget subscribe me, because I will share real and genuine tips and related to spoken English. I will share everything. Bye bye.